I like this next one. It's my favorite thing in a long time. Yeah. Comes from Michael Stieber. He built a time machine that sends you back to the era of iPods and boxed software, the Apple Store time machine. This experience is very soothing to me. Now, obviously, there's a heavy nostalgia component here because you're going back in time. He built an actual app. Now, you don't need to download the app in order to have the experience. Maybe you can give us some audio, Will, and just head to the Twitter account of Michael Stieber, because he has screen captured a variety of these experiences at different Apple stores. There's the first Apple store, Tyson's Corner, then a mini Apple store from Stanford Shopping Center, then the iconic Fifth Avenue Apple store, and then the Infinite Loop store. Listen to this. You hear these footsteps? It's interactive and nostalgic, and you have the hum of the HVAC. You know I love the hum of an HVAC.
Sure, yeah.
There's different elements for you to discover as you make your way through this time machine. There may be a video playing on a computer, a distant computer. There may be a drawer that you can open. It's very mysterious and reminiscent of some of the old video games I used to play once upon a time, which I appreciate. There's no clear objectives here, but somehow the way that the spatial audio is integrated along with the absence of activity, you get this natural explorative sensation of just looking around.
And just the attention to detail.
Tremendous.
I noticed that there's a coil underneath one of those display desks producing electricity, you know?
Listen, there was actually quite a bit of research that went into this. You had to use old video footage in order, because many of these stores don't look like this anymore if they exist. And so you needed to go and research old video clips to find out what the layouts would have looked like in these moments, and then you got to map it all out, and you got to build it, obviously. It's very cool. You can download it for free, experience it yourself, or you can just head to Michael Stieber's Twitter account and watch a video clip of walking around these spaces. I'm a little weird and strange. If you are as well, this may create some sort of sensation for you as well.